Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of my video tutorial. So if you want to watch the part 1 of this video, I will give you the link for the part 1 in the description box below. You can check that video and come back to this video to finish this beautiful placemat project. So now let's continue with our pattern. So here we have 9 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have made total of 9 rows. So now we will continue with the next row. So for that I am going to use this lavender yarn. So here we have finished our last row. You can see. So I am going to start exactly from there. So insert your hook into the stitch and pull the yarn to the front. Then we will start the next round from here. So for that we are going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. So we have 3 double crochets here. Then we are going to work 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Then we will again work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches here. So 1, 2 and 3. Then again work 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Then we will work 1 double crochet on top of all these 11 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then again work 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. 1 and 2. So then again we will work 11 double crochets, then 2 double crochets in the space. So like this we are going to repeat 1 double crochet into every stitch and 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space and finish this round. So here I have finished this round and cut off the yarn. Then for the next round I am going to be using this pink color. So here I am going to attach the yarn where we finished the last round. So pull the yarn to the front. Then we will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then work 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 5 double crochets here, including the first chain 3. Then we will chain 4. 3, 4, and we are going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then from the 4th stitch we are going to work 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 5. and then again chain 4, 1 2 3 4, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and then again work 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So like this we are going to repeat this same pattern around. I'll meet you here at this end. So here I'm near the end of this round. I have made 5 double crochets here, and I'm going to add 2 more double crochets here. So this will be 6 and 7. So we have made 7 double crochets here. You can see. Then we are going to make chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have made 5 chains instead of 4. Then we will skip 3 stitches and work 1 double crochet into these last 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Then we will make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3 and finish this round. So here you can see we have 7 double crochets here in the last 2 sets with chain 5 space. So that's the end of this round. We will continue with the next round. So for that we are going to slip stitch into the next stitch, and we will chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch like this, and we are going to work 9 double crochets into this next chain 4 space here. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So we have 9 double crochets here. Then here we are going to skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the third stitch, which is the middle one. Then again we'll skip the last 2 stitches and work 9 double crochets in the chain 4 space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then again here we are going to skip 2 stitches, 1 2, and single crochet in the third stitch. Then again work 9 double crochets in the next space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then again skip the first 2 stitches and single crochet in the third stitch. Then again 9 double crochets in the next space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then again skip the first 2 stitches and single crochet in the third stitch. So like this we are going to repeat the same pattern around. I'll meet you here at this end. So here I have made 9 double crochets. Then in the next one we are having 7 double crochets. So we are going to skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the 4th stitch. This is the center stitch. Then again into the next space we are going to work 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then again here we have 7 double crochets. So we are going to make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet that we made. Then chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So that's the end of this round. So I have cut the yarn. So for the next round, which is the last round, we will be joining the lavender color. So for the last round, I'm going to use this color. So here we have finished the round, and on top of this first double crochet here, I'm going to join the yarn. Pull it to the front. Then we are going to chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Then we will work 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 9 single crochets in total. Then here we are going to, so we have 9 single crochets. So then we are going to yarn over 3 times like this, and we are going to go under this first double crochet here. So insert a hook from the back through this stitch and pull the yarn like this, and we are going to pass the thread through first 2 stitches, then the next 2 stitches, then again next 2, then the last 2. So we have passed the yarn 4 times. So yarn over 3 times, and then we are going to insert this through this last stitch of the double crochet. So pull the yarn 1, 2, 3 and 4 times through the hook. So like this we are going to do. Then we are going to work 1 double crochet on top of these 9 double crochets. So insert your hook on top of the first double crochet and then work 1 single crochet into the 9 stitches. So like this we will work 1 single crochet on top of the 9 double crochets of the previous round. So here we have 9 single crochets again. Then again we are going to do the same yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook through the back of this stitch. Pull the yarn through the stitch like this. Then pull the yarn 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Then again yarn over 3 times. Insert your yarn through the stitch and pull the yarn 4 times through 2 loops, 3 and 4. Here we have done this. Then insert your hook on top of the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 single crochets here, and then yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook through the back of this stitch. Pull the yarn through the stitch and then 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. And again yarn over 3 times, insert your hook through this stitch, pull the yarn through 2 loops. So 2, 3 and 4 times, like this. Then again we will work one single crochet in the 9 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we are going to repeat the same pattern. So we will repeat the same pattern all around. I'll meet you here at the end. So here and near the end of the round, I have made these two. Then we are going to make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet that we made. So here on top of the first single crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through. So that's the end of this final round. So now we will hide all the yarn tails in our project. So I'm going to take this yarn tail to the back through the next stitch like this, and we will hide it at the back. So I'm going to trim the end and pass this end through the tapestry needle. Then we are going to pass this through as many stitches as we can, so it will be secure. So just pass it through stitches and gently pull the needle like this. Then I'm going to pass this through some more stitches. I'm going to pass this through the same color, lavender color. So I'm going to pass this through more stitches. So that will be enough. Now I'm going to trim off this excess yarn tail. So that's how we are going to hide all the yarn tails in our project. So our beautiful oval placemat pattern is now ready. I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also hit the bell icon so you'll get all the notification for my new videos. Thanks for watching my video guys. Bye bye.